Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
With only 9 days left before the start of the World Athletics Championships, 2019 World Discus Silver medalist Frederick Dakers is aiming to produce his best in Tokyo, having failed to medal at the last two editions. Dakers, was a season's best of 66.33 meters, qualified for the World Championships through the quota system.
The purpose really changed. You guys were making this big deal about, not qualifying at that time. So really and truly, we knew what, we were supposed to do. We were already not ready. So it was just, to prefer the championships, and that's what we've been doing. We took a step back in terms of the Europe trips and all that because, we wanted to properly get stronger. We saw where we were lacking, as I said, this is a test run to see what was going on. We started out and, now we're hunting for the big one.
Dakers' last throw before the competition was 65.10 meters, done to win gold at the Nakak Championships on August 15. Entering the Tokyo World Championships, Dakers, who has a world ranking of 15th, will need to improve massively if he's to challenge for a medal, with 10 athletes already throwing over 70 meters this year, including fellow countryman Ralph Mullings. The World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, on onespotmedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. The boys have departed the island ahead of Friday's final round World Cup qualifier against Bermuda. Goalkeeper Kemar Foster, who represents Mount Pleasant in the Jamaica Premier League, has been added to the squad. The Reggae boys have never lost to Bermuda in 7 previous encounters, winning their last 4, while the first 3 ended in drawn results. The Reggae boys will clash Bermuda on Friday at 5 p.m. Jamaica time inside the Bermuda National Stadium. Finally, world number 1 Yannick Sinner continued his U.S. Open title defense in dominant fashion as he swept past fellow Italian and world number 10 ranked Lorenzo Musetti to reach the semifinals in New York. Sinner's scintillating form carried on as he won 6-1, 6-4, 6-2. Musetti was unable to cover any of his 7 break points while he hit just 12 winners to his compatriots' 28 on Arthur Ashe Stadium. Sinner has now won 26 consecutive matches at hard court Grand Slam tournaments. Sinner will face Felix Auger-Aliassime in Friday's semi-final after the Canadian defeated Alex de Minaur of Australia. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.